everybody. This is Vacation Resort Tours, and today we have a room that I'm super excited about. We are staying at Wilderness Lodge in the DVC area of Boulder Ridge. We're staying in a 2-bedroom. So let me take you on a quick little tour here. I've been dying to stay in this room since the renovations. Immediately when you come in, there's a closet to the right. Lots of place to hang up your clothes. You got your laundry basket in there. And then straight ahead is the main living area. And I love this decor. I think the aesthetic of the Wilderness Lodge fits me the best, but even more so the Boulder Ridge, this new renovation. I think I love it more than Copper Creek. But I'll give you a better look of this main living area. First thing I want to show you is the main bedroom. So we'll come to the left. We have a king-size bed, lots of storage underneath the bed. And something I really do like about these rooms is the carpet. I think it makes it so comfortable, so cushy to walk on. Makes it feel really homey. And this is all of our stuff. We haven't unpacked anything yet. We obviously haven't stored everything appropriately. We just kind of wanted to get everything in and get the video done. We have a nice big screen TV, tons of storage in the rooms. I really like that. I love this table here that looks like a drum. And they have these little like reading lights in every room. So there's some on that lamp there. Obviously that light is not turned on, but you have the little reading lights there, and that lamp is turned on. Love the artwork. I love that curtain there. Mickey, Pluto, Chippendale. This is a view from the main bedroom. This is like my little running path in the mornings, something else I really like to do here. You can kind of see over there, those are the Copper Creek cabins, which is by far my favorite stay at Disney World, is in those cabins. They're very, very comfortable. I'll make sure to upload a video of that room as well. And something else too, this is pretty common for most updated hotel rooms, but there's tons of places to plug in to charge your phone, your smartwatches, lots of plugs, a lot of USBs, as you can see there under the TV. I'm gonna take you next into the main bathroom. The only thing that would make this better is if that had jets in it, that big tub there, but that's super cute artwork. There's the vanity. Each of the bathrooms here do come with a hair dryer. Not the toothbrushes, those are mine. Walk-in closet. And then here's where the walk-in shower and the commode are. Nice rainfall shower head. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Take you back out into the main area. So this is like an interesting setup here. Main area, door to the bathroom. Main area, door to the bedroom. Door from the bedroom to the bathroom. And here we are again. To the right of the main bathroom is the stackable washer and dryer, which is another reason why we like staying in the DVC rooms. Unless you're in a studio, they all come with a washer and dryer, and we do like to do our laundry. I really love that color. And like I said, we did bring our stuff in. We just kind of threw things in places. Nothing's really put away. But these rooms do come with everything you might need. There's mugs, plates, bowls, things to cook with. And if there's anything you need that they don't have in the room, These are all the things available to you. You can just call if you're missing an item. Microwave, stove, oven, freezer, fridge. Pretty standard. All that stuff at the bottom is ours. See, cookware, silverware, I believe, is in here. The most important thing in the kitchen, the coffee maker. I do like this lighting here. The decor is just so beautiful. This does open into a bed. I will insert a picture of that when it's down later. I just can't pull it down and film at the same time because it is pretty heavy. This does open up into storage. I think there's like extra pillow and blankets under here, and I will also include a picture of that. This is the view from the main area. And that's my mom enjoying the view and the nice weather we're having here in Florida in March. Here's the second bedroom. Again, great lighting, so spacious. I love this little work desk area here. You see the little reading lights next to the bed. They're easy to move. And they're separate from these lights up here, which is nice. See more plugs, USBs. Another nice big area leading to the vanity, the shower, the commode, and the walk-in closet. I really do love this room so much. The second bedroom also has a rainfall shower head, which is nice. I mean, it's a pretty standard room, but it's gorgeous. It has everything you might need. Let me take you out here. You might get a better view of the cabin from the second bedroom side. Pool's over there. And the sliding glass doors also have something really nice. That extra child-proof lock in case you have little ones. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll be back at you with another room tour shortly. If you have any questions about this room, please leave them in the comments below. I'm just giving you one more final look of the room from different angles. And I'll make sure to insert the pictures of those right now. Ah, look at Mickey and Pluto camping. They're so cute.